Hello everyone, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be talking about that how we can download the image from internet in Python. So let's start. We have three modules present in the Python. So first module is the request module, and second module is wget module, and third one is urllib. These are three modules through which we can download the image here. So let's start. For doing so, we have to import request modules. We going with the request module first. Request module, first one. This is the first one. After that, I will use the remaining two modules and download the image. So here now we have again we have to import the certain modules which will helps us to download the image from the internet. So we have to use this also. Now we have to take the image link, uh, image URL. You can take the link as URL as in the form of string in the variable. So copy it from here and just paste it in this. For checking that this link is valid or not, we can go to the browser and just check it. Yeah, it is valid link. So now come in the IDE to give the file name as we want our file name as this one only, this one. So how to split these things? Now just see like we have a string like here, so we can write image url. Why I'm writing this image url dot split. We have to split the image url slash, and we get the list with these slash, with the elements with slash separated by slash. So get the last we get the last one from that this string. So we get these elements in the file name variable. Now and our motto is to give the file name as this. So we again split it and split as hyphen, and just write -1. This will take this one file name. So this file name is usually comes in this file name variable. Now we use the request modules to import the url request request dot get, and we have to give the image url link. Yeah, also the second argument is stream is equal to true. We have to put here. Now we check now we check that the request, whatever we the take whatever we the link we take in the request is valid or not. So for doing that, we have to dot check the status code is equal to 200 or not. If so, then we uh, we get the data in the raw data, and there is a one property that decode the data. So just check it, the decode content is equal to true. We have to write here. After that, we have to open the file in the writing mode. So github open, and we already have the file names, that is file name, and we have to write in write binary mode as f. Now we use the settle modules to download the image. So settles have the properties object, uh, copy file objects here, and we take the two arguments. First argument is request dot raw file, raw data, and the file itself. Yeah, if the file is downloaded successfully, then we can also print the message in the console like the image is downloaded successfully, and the image name is this, like this, name is like this. And if not, then we have to write in the else condition like uh, the image can't be downloaded. So now we check the code, that whether the code is run or not. For that we have to run from here. Now see that we got the successful message in the console, and the image is also downloaded from here, and this is the same image that we see in the browser at the time of checking link, that is the valid link or not. If also here uh, just come in the id where we write the code and check if just change the image link and just run the code, then it throw an error like this. Wait, and the image is can't be downloaded because this is not a valid link. That's why this throw an error. So now we use the second modules to test that whether the modules download the image file or not. So we have wget modules. Before that, we have to comment this code, uh, and we have also include this image first, and just check that as we know that wget is modules is the external modules. So check whether it is installed or already or not. So click install wget, check it. Yeah, required already satisfied. So you know that it's already installed. So first import this wget. After that, you have to write the image url. Why not we take this for easy is, yeah, this is the link. We have to uncomment this link, and now we have to write that image name is equal to wget dot, it has a function download. Inside this we have to put the url, image url, and after that print the successful message, successfully image, and write the image name. Okay, now let's run the program. Yeah, it's successfully downloaded the image. Now just check the image. Yeah, it's downloaded. So now now the chance for the third modules, which is urllib, which is inbuilt modules inside Python. So here is urllib. The third one is urllib. It's third one, no? And it's the second one. So just here, for that we have to import again modules urllib dot request. Okay, after that the same thing funda you have to do. You have to write a link here, comment this. For easiness we have to take the copy and paste the link. Now for image name we take the random name like 12345 dot jpg. Okay, after that we have a urllib dot request url retrieve function, which take the argument as image url, and second argument should be the name of the image name, and just save it. And just before that we have to delete this image. Okay, so we did it, and now run the code and check whether it's downloaded or not. Yeah, the code runs successfully and the image is downloaded as the file name 12345.jpg. Yeah, so guys, thank you.